Okay, Four Seasons, shops at Four Seasons. This is a little place between the Venetian, the Parisian, and the Londoner, which is over there. And yeah, that's going to be our little shop right there. So you can see lots of little construction in there as well, and some kind of cool statues as well. And they're really doing a lot here. So anyways, we're going to be filming in the inside, so stay tuned and we'll show you what it looks all like, what it looks like inside there. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, this is the shops of the Four Seasons. So this is basically a little in between Londoner, Parisian, and Venetian. So this is Venetian. Before we go in, we'll just kind of show you a little bit. So Venetian kind of looks like this. So you got these nice canals, you got a bunch of boats that come through, and we're going to go into the Grand Canal in a minute. There you go. It's nice. And they have all these little kiosks here everywhere. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, that's the Venetian, and the Venetian is on one side, and then Parisian and Venetian are on the other two sides. So let's go in and check out. So it says the Londoner right there, so it's between it. So let's go check it all out. Yeah, Cotai Strip. This is a pretty expensive little place in here. 4 shops, Four Seasons, 4 shops. Coach, you got some expensive stuff like it's the Coach one right there. The music is a little bit, might end up ruining my video. I hope not. I'll try to speak kind of loudly and over it a little bit. In the medium part, you got some sales, people selling, let me see, called 10 heligons. So yeah, this is basically like a shopping mall really. But actually all the casinos are shopping malls. I mean, all 3 of these have some nice shopping malls anyways. So so for me it's a little bit hard to differentiate one from the other. Just in case you know, we're in the middle of the COVID. We're also in a unique place where Macau has had no, let's check this out real quick. Macau has had no COVID in 16 months since the very beginning of the outbreak. No local infections, and even the ones that came in from airplanes have been relatively few. So it's quite surprising that we just got 4 cases that were local on Monday. But we did. Yeah, so I think this is like 3 stories of things right in here. Let me just see. Could go down that way, or we could go down this way. We'll go down this way. So, yeah, 4 local cases. They came in from one of them was a student that went to Xi'an, China, and they contracted COVID, came back, and their family also contracted COVID. So all 4 of them, there's more stuff in there. Versace. So yeah, all 4 of them contracted COVID, so I thought there might be fewer people. I think there's fewer mainland Chinese tourists, but there's still quite a few that come anyways. And so far they did 72 hours of test, and they haven't come up with anything yet, so that was good news so far. We'll see what happens later. And then this is the other side, so this one goes to Londoner. And if you go all the way that way, it goes to Parisian. So Parisian is over that way, and then Londoner is over here, so you can see all the Londoner signs. Londoner, Macau. Then you have this nice walkway in between the middle, and then you can see the Cotai strip. And the Londoner and other stuff like that too. And some good music. So maybe later we can film over here. We can also film over here too, so you can get kind of an idea. Let's head on out. There's the Londoner. And that's part of the shops at Four Seasons right there. And Venetian, that's all Venetian right there. And Cotai Strip. And that's the Londoner. Okay, so we'll end it right there. That's the, right there. Chiquinha, Chiquinha.